Whichever one of us loses gets fucking shot. So I don't know how this is gonna turn out. What's up, guys? We've been thinking of this idea. Boy, if you don't... We've been thinking of this idea since we have the paintball gun you seen in the last video.
Dance, motherfucker.
We're gonna do a paintball game, and whoever loses gets shot by a paintball gun. It's pretty explanatory. I think it'll be an exciting video. I've never done one like this, so remember, guys, to always get them stretches before you skate, because you know, if you want to skate for a long time, you don't want to be sore when you're older. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh shit, we're doing it. Okay, Rochambeau.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes.
I'll do it for you. What's that? Rochambeau. Fucking hell. Whichever one of us loses gets fucking shot, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out.
Can't stop till I got $250,000 on the wrist. Hold up, picture this big house, G-Wagon with tents.
That was instant karma.
Wake up, precious yeah. T-Funk, she my drip, and my bitch pull up and shit that poly, yeah, I'm you. Can't stop till I got $250,000 on the wrist. Hold up, picture this big house, G-Wagon with tents.
Fucking it. I can either do it really good or really bad.
Bruh.
Fuck. Get into it. Fuck. I have K.
Bruh.
Fuck.
Wake up early morning, had to get my day started. Hit up market, hit the pump while I like James.
We both have S.K.A.T.E right now. I can't believe you landed that dollar one.
Can't afford it. Drive on the right side, that means that it's important. VIP everywhere, yeah, I'm important. Step out with some brand new shit.
Yeah, I couldn't tell.
Cost like 10 Jordans. Wanna take a peek, I can't ignore 'em. Strike a pose.
I hate the locusts, bro. They scare me. Come on ahead. Interrupt them. Fuck. Can I redo that?
Yeah, stop till I got $250,000 on the wrist. Hold up, picture this big house, G-Wagon with tents, like a precious fuck. Yeah, G-Funk in my drip, and my bitch pull up and shit that probably ain't on you. Can't stop till I got $250,000 on the wrist. Hold up, picture this big house, G-Wagon with tents, like a precious fuck. Yeah.
Oh my god. There's one more. Oh. Okay, I freaking won. That was actually more interesting than I thought it was gonna be, but that was pretty interesting. A little harder than I thought. He actually got me on a few letters there, but I came out on top. You know what the F's going on. So, you know what that means. Let's get it. Let's go get the paintball gun. Well, it looks like it's time for Zach to take his lashing.
Fuck this shit.
This is kind of exactly what I'm asking. Okay, stand over there. Let me see how it looks.
You want me to stand over here with your loaded gun in your hand?
Turn around. I want to see how it looks. So
No.
yeah, I want to see what it looks like. So when we get the shot, bro. I'm trying to see.
No.
Oh my god.
I'm doing exactly what you would do, Dalvin.
Okay.
It'll be good. It'll be good.
All right, I'm going back here to this stump. You can't see me because I'm black. Ready, Zach?
No. Ow.
Did it really hit you?
Yeah, hit me in the thigh.
That's nothing.
It's bruised. How did you not shoot me in the back?
Cause I shot too low. For what time? Are you recording that?
Why are you shooting him?
Yeah, bro, what the fuck?
Okay, we have to go. That was fun. Oh shit. How do you feel?
Fuck you.
Yeah, it was actually quite a battle. I ended up shooting him in the thigh. I didn't think I was gonna shoot him. Thanks, Zach. Thank you for being a good sport. We coming out with more videos. Yeah, anything's impossible. Go for your dreams. Fucking all of you guys. Peace out.
Can't stop till I got a quarter on the wrist. Hold up, picture this. Big house, G-Wagon with tents. Wake up fresh as fuck. Yeah, G-Funk in my drip.
What do you think this is, bro? $40. That's what I think it is.
Fuck you.